Hey guys, my name is Tisal and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to install a new head unit for my E46. Very recently I bought a new head unit. It's an Xtrons head unit, which is a very popular brand for BMWs and many other car brands. So the one that I bought is a PT8846B. That's the model number. So first of all, let's do a quick unboxing and begin with the installation. So guys, this is the head unit. Let's open the box. I guess I need two hands for this. So guys, this is the head unit. Looks sick. What I really like about this head unit is the OEM finish, because this one is specifically made for the E46. As you can see, the volume control knobs, buttons, and the housing, it's made to fit the other interior components in the E46. And there are a lot of cables, which is exciting. I'm already confused. So guys, this head unit has two variants. One is the 2GB RAM and the quad-core processor variant, and the other one is the 4GB RAM and the octa-core processor variant. So I went with the 4GB RAM and the octa-core processor variant because I want it to be super smooth when it comes to running Android or running any other apps. So that's why I chose it. So be mindful of that when you're buying this head unit. Hey guys, so this is the current head unit that I have in my E46. This is a factory sat nav system that came with the car. Since this is an old head unit, it doesn't have Bluetooth or anything like that. So what I did was I installed this audio cable, aux cable, to this head unit, and I have been using this aux cable for a while to listen to my music. But the issue is I bought a new phone, and new phones, they don't come with a audio jack. The reason that I really like this head unit is because of the old school tech that it has. It has a TV, and it has a telephone, but I don't know how it works, and the onboard computer. Also guys, before I was a little bit hesitant about the new head unit installation, because this car has a factory Harman Kardon sound system, which is not the best in the world, but when it comes to sound quality, I'm really happy with it. But I'm not sure how this new head unit will work with the factory Harman Kardon sound system. But I think there will be a small decrease in the sound quality, but I think it's a sacrifice that I have to take. So I removed the trim pieces and the AC vent. It was a little bit hard to remove this AC vent, and now I have to remove this head unit, get this out. And to do that we need this special tools. Yep. So guys, after an hour of trying to get this thing out, the sat nav, it finally came out. Took me a while to figure out how to get this thing out, because I had to use these two tools and put it inside here and push the clip and pull the radio out from the AC vent hole, and finally it came out. Mission success. So guys, for the installation I had to buy this extension cable. I have to route this extension cable from the dashboard where the head unit is located to the boot, because all the components for the sat nav and the Harman Kardon system is located in the boot over here. So this is the Bluetooth module and this is the sat nav module, I believe, and the Harman Kardon amp, I think it's located here. Actually, I'm kind of sad to remove all these old school tech, which are really cool. So guys, this is the sat nav module. We don't need this as well. Also guys, I removed this CD stacker. It was located in the boot. We don't need this anymore. I removed the seat to route the wire, and it's a mess. We have pencils, Allen keys, $2 coins, screws. Yep. So my plan is to get the wire from here. By the way, this wire is also coming from the boot, and follow the exact route of this wire from here. And I removed the door seal as well, and like this, so you guys can see, from here to here to the dashboard and to the head unit. That's the plan. So finally I got the wire out from the dashboard and plugged it to the new head unit, and this is how it looks. The touch screen is very smooth, and the interface looks good as well. I really want to check the sound quality. Let's see. So right now I'm connected to the internet through my phone's hotspot, and I downloaded a few apps, YouTube and Spotify. So let's play some music and check the sound quality. Wait, let's play some no copyright music from YouTube. No copyright music. The The sound quality is not that bad compared to how it was before. uh, so I installed some apps as well, Google Maps, and we have Play Store where we can download new apps. Also, it has an app called Talk, uh, where you can check your engine fault codes and information such as coolant temperature, speed, accelerator, throttle. I think I need to buy an OBD scanner uh, to get this information to the head unit. So yep. And this has a Android 8.0. Let's check. Yeah, it has Android 8.0, and the steering wheel buttons work. So guys, this is the head unit. I've been using this head unit for like 2 to 3 weeks now. Have to say it really fits well and looks OEM. So far it's really smooth and fast, as you can see. So I have downloaded few apps from Play Store because this has Android. I downloaded Google Maps and Spotify and YouTube. Sound quality is not that bad. I really like it. So I have downloaded the offline version of Google Maps, so I don't need to connect this to the internet every time. So sometimes Google Maps is a little bit laggy, but it's all right. So when you start up, it shows this nice BMW logo. You can set any startup logo you want. You can put your own logo if you want.
Yeah, stand down for the best now. Take my time, you better pay up in the next style. Throw a rollie with a iced out turnstile. I see when the time's out, get my burst out. Fucking time's out. Oh yeah, now you voting me. Got no kids, got me daddy of the day. I be rich and no money, that's the thing. Got no queen, but I'm treated like a king. I see money, I see bitches in the Bentley. How the fuck you still a loser? You a dead J. I say you don't wanna take another chance, Dre. Get the fuck out my face, I don't wanna dance straight. Hey, yeah, on my days, tell me on my days. I've been ballin', yes I'm ballin' every day. Get a boss and all you gotta catch a fade. I'm a alley, you can boy you out of way.
Also guys, one more thing that I want to show you is this sick banner from Midnight Convoy. So my friend just started a brand called Midnight Convoy. He's making cool windshield banners, decals and face masks. I'll leave his Instagram down below in the description so you guys can check it out. The one that I got is the matte black windshield banner. This is their most popular windshield banner. As you guys can see, it goes well with the car. That's it for my video guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll leave a link for the head unit if you guys want to check it out. Other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.